Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW M4 steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is parked securely with the ignition off. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This prevents accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts. After disconnecting, wait approximately 15 minutes for any residual power to dissipate before you begin working on the steering wheel. Next, you'll need to safely remove the airbag module. Look for two small access holes, usually on the sides of the steering wheel. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into these holes to release the retaining clips. Gently pry the airbag module forward. Once released, carefully pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel, but do not fully disconnect it yet. With the airbag module partially detached, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors from its rear. These usually have small tabs you need to press. Once the airbag is completely free, set it aside safely, face up. Now, use a 16mm socket to loosen and remove the large central bolt holding the steering wheel to the column. Make sure your steering wheel is perfectly straight before you remove this bolt. Finally, with the central bolt removed, you can now gently pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. It might require a firm but steady pull. Before completely removing it, consider marking its position relative to the shaft for easier reinstallation and proper alignment. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Reinstallation is the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.